Here is how you can remove the microphone icon on your Android phone. Let me show you exactly where you can find it and how you can make it disappear. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss future videos and guides like this. So let me give you an example. I open up the voice recorder app, right? So I just start a basic voice recording, and in the top right portion of the display of my phone, it is actually a Samsung phone and nothing really special about it, but you can notice that in at the top right, I have a green microphone icon. This is going to indicate to me that the actual physical microphone of the phone is being used by something. So I can expand it, I can tap on it or go to the control center and see when I click on it that the microphone is being used by the voice recorder app. So it's fine. But if you see it constantly, it probably means that some app, which you may not even be aware of or know about, is constantly using your microphone, right? And if that is the thing which you don't like, just find the settings app and go to the privacy and security, and there find the permissions manager. So this will allow you to see which apps can access your mic and also at which time, because sometimes it might happen that even allowed all the time is one of the options, meaning that you don't even technically have to use the app and you can just see that an app is using microphone without you knowing. So it's very important to manage these permissions for better privacy, but that is the thing which I wanted to show you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. If there is some kind of different microphone icon which you are referring to, then just let me know about that, and I'm gonna very likely make another video about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.